Hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, you guessed it, it is another day on the staircase. We're putting in some noggins, we're really strengthening it up now. Plenty of nailing to do. Yeah, it's coming along great. The next job on the staircase is putting in some additional noggins. Got some temporary ones in place there, they've got to come out and put something a bit more substantial to get it ready for the planking. So that one's coming out. That one's coming out. We're going to put an additional one through here. Just make it a lot stronger. Ready for those boards. It's too small for there. Perfect for there. Use that to cut to length, the larger piece. The art is to knock each side up. Don't try and knock one end up more than the other because it will go out square. You don't want it too tight. You start damaging the timber. It's kind of like a sweet spot. When you put these in, it gives you an opportunity to straighten up any twists and bows in the timber. You've got a nice straight cut. Also notice that sometimes your timbers are milled up slightly different. Okay, that's in, let's get it nailed. Pre-drill. Yep, I've nailed it. Now all those brackets that I used to temporarily hold it in place, I'm not going to take them off, they're not in the way. They've only got screws in, but what I'm going to do now is go around and nail them up so that they're doing a good job. Slightly smaller nails. Yep. Give it some strength. there's lots of pros and cons with nails or screws. As mentioned before, the nails have a greater ability to flex and not snap like a screw. So for downward pressures, they're normally best. You know, hold something down, you can use nails, but it's normally with the screws for compression. Now I understand that they do make now a screw, a hybrid screw that has a good shear snapping strength like a nail as well, but I've yet to try those. Not available over here at the minute. Okay, yeah, we're just going to go around and do all the nailing. And of course you've got the cost. Normally screws are slightly more expensive than nails, and the speed. And then you've got a screw gun, you know, with the like a cartridge. Nails are probably a lot quicker. It really depends on your application. Yeah. Can hold my weight, hold anything. You'll also notice on some brackets, see that little bit sticking out? It's like a pin you just bash in. A lot with nailing is getting in the right position for your swing. If you're awkward, it will just bend it. So get positioned, get set up properly, take your time. That's the framework all nailed together now. All the extra noggins. Yeah, that's coming along great. Okay, so now with our planking, now what I like to do when I nail, instead of nailing on the same plane, I like to drop it down a little bit. That way if there's any defect in the wood you won't split it. We'll just go along like that. The sun, I knew it was up there somewhere. Also when it comes to nailing, there's different weights of hammer for different size nails. This is more of your first fix, this is more of your second fix, lighter work. So yeah, choose your right hammers. They're graded in ounces normally, depends where you buy them from. I've had these for years. You kind of wear them in, or they wear you in. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.